Here we are. It is May 4th. May 4th. Mason and I set this blind up last night right before dark. We saw, about 10 or 15 turkeys?
Yep.
A few big toms. They roosted right here in the pine trees about 150, 200 yards away. And we should be in the right spot, so we'll see. We only got about, an hour and a half to 2 hours to hunt this morning because Mason has his baseball parade. We gotta be there for 7:45, so we'll get back to you. We got the decoys set up. I got my bow. Mason's behind the 20 gauge. We're ready to rock and roll, right, buddy?
Yep.
All right. Got the pretty boy full strut decoy out, along with the AVNX breeder hen. When he gets just to the right of the decoy shoot, I'll tell you when. Not yet. Okay, buddy, whenever you can. Don't shoot the blind. Don't shoot the blind. Put it on his head. Right on his head. Right on his head. Go ahead. Put the safety off. Put the safety off. Hit the button. Push the button the other way. Other way. Push towards me. Push it towards me, Mason. Alright, shoot him. Nice shot. You got him. Good job. Give me 5, dude. Good shot.
I think I messed up the turkey.
You shoot the decoy?
Maybe.
Hold on. Oh, man. That was awesome. We got it all on video too. And my ears are ringing.
Yeah. So are
Make sure
mine.
that's on. Give me 5, bud. Nice job.
My ears are seriously ringing.
It's because we're in the blind. Look at, hey, look. All those jakes are still right there.
You could shoot one, Dad.
Nah, we're not gonna shoot a jake.
They didn't even go.
Oh, they know.
No, I said they didn't even go.
Oh. Dude, that's a big tom.
Might beat my other one.
Yeah, it might. It's a big one. Look at them. They're gonna come in.
Want to shoot a Jake?
No, I don't want to, bud.
You got 2 tags.
No. I would have shot that tom and you could have shot Jake. What do you think?
That's not happening.
That's not.
Oh, see, there's still ones in the back.
Okay, maybe there's another tom. Let's just be quiet and sit tight and see what happens. Okay. Let's go see your turkey. Yeah, he's a big beard. Big tom.
Oh, found out where I hit him.
Flop him over. He looks huge. He's got like a big old softball sized head on him. Oh, still flopping well.
Look at the beard.
Wow.
Let me see the spurs.
Let's see. Yeah, don't. Oh man. Those are big spurs, buddy. Hold on. We'll finish that. Alright, buddy. That's a wrap. You got him. I think this is your biggest tom yet. Probably got an 11-inch beard.
Bigger than my first one?
Yeah, I think so. He's pretty heavy too. He feels like he's real heavy. He's big, long beard.
Yeah.
He's probably got inch and a
Half spurs.
eighth, inch and a quarter spurs. He's a big one, bud. Look at that. Nice big old fan. Pretty cool.
Hey, guess what?
In fact, you're quite the turkey
Throw his thing
hunter
up
these
again.
days. All right, we gotta pack this stuff up and get to your baseball.